What's happening, y'all? It's your boy B Hill, and this is the first official episode of Talk Your Ish, man, where we give our uncut, unbiased opinion on what's happening in the league. And if you're wondering what the league is, man, we talking about the NBA, the best sport in the world. So make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you comment because your opinion matters too. And sometimes we'll sit here and take some of your opinions and the snapshots, and we'll make sure that we get it and put it in the show. So let's get to the topic of today. We talking about the big baller brand and they new shoes that they coming out with. Now, my thing is you got mixed opinions on the big baller brand as a whole. For me, I love LeVar Ball. I ain't even gonna lie. He's a character. You know, people love characters. America love characters. And he gives you what you want. He talk that ish. But when it comes down to his business mechanics, it don't always mesh. You hate the man, but you love what he doing. You can't say that when you was sitting here and you dreamed that you was taking that last 3-point-second shot, that you didn't have your own shoes on. Unless they was J's. You know what I mean? But even in the J's, you wish you had your own signature J's. That's why on 2K, you sit here and you can't wait till you get to the level where you can get your own shoes. Commercial and everything else. So, you can't, it's just like the lesser, well, not the lesser of two evils, but you drawn in the corner. Cause like I said, you love what he doing, but you hate the man. And back to these shoes, I'm saying that to get back to the fact of how we feel about the shoes. Because I ain't gonna lie, the older ones, as far as how they look and everything, they weren't pleasant. They weren't the type that I sit here and I just rock out on the street every day. But these new, not Liangelos, but the Lamelo, these hot pink joints, I'm not even gonna lie. If I had a hot outfit to rock with them, you see me in some Lamelos. I can't even stunt. They nice. So my thing is as they progress and the shoes start to get better, do we put away our biases about how we feel about the man and just say it for what it is? They got dope stuff. What they doing is dope. Period. You go and look at the shop, you know, Lonzo, his merch shop. I can't lie. It's dope. He got the Lonzo, you know, spelling on the top of the T, but it's kind of in that rock starish, you know, thunder type font. And then he got it like a old who is it? Master P album cover. All you gotta do is rip some holes in it and you think it was some Yeezy shit. It's dope. Now the ones with that Zoe logo on it, except the one with the Zoe logo and the diamonds on it. All them other ones don't whack. But the one where he pushing himself with his face and stuff on, that they dope stuff. I can see him with some, you know, the cut up jeans at the knee and all of that. They dope. So my thing is like, is the big baller brand failing or not being progressive like the media say? Because if you ain't had the money, you wouldn't keep putting out shoes like that. And I know them little kids buying them Lonzo Ball shirts because they hot. When I saw him, I sat there and said, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm a Lonzo Ball fan, but I'm not the type of fan that just be sitting here and just be on folks like that. But I cop it because I wear it. Even if he was a nobody, that's like one of them shirts. You remember when Hot Topic was a big store? Just one of those, shirts that you just pull out and just, you rock it. It's just fresh. It's one of them. So, man, my thing is, when are we gonna put it aside and just say, you know what, the shoe's hot? Now, $4.95 is a pretty penny. I'm not gonna lie. But a lot of these, high price luxury or lavish shoes y'all be wearing, I don't think that they as hot as people say that they are. A lot of them be looking like, I sit here and I'm saying like, what is you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So with that, y'all let me know what you think. I think the new shoes are hot. Are they worth $4.95? No, I don't think that they worth $4.95. But I see where they going. I support them just because they hot now. Now I can rock them. They hot now. So y'all tell me what you think. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, at TalkYourIsh_. I repeat, TalkYourIsh_. And it's your boy B Hill, and I'm out. Oh!